What's up, guys? Welcome back to MarineMax in Somers Point, New Jersey. My name's Bill Herr. Today we're standing on this beautiful brand new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. As you can see up here in the bow, I've got my son with me. It's a great hangout spot, very comfortable, very safe for the kids. You can see how high the sides are, so he's sitting here. If he needed to grab onto the grab handle, he can. And if we even go back into the cockpit, it's just a great family, hang out with friends, get out on the water, enjoy your time, spend some fun out on enjoying the sun while we're out on the water. Underneath our feet, we do have the snap-in infinity flooring here. Great option if you want to take it out and clean it, you can do that. If you want to just have the bare fiberglass down there, you can as well. It's whatever up to you as the owner. Down here under the helm, so the 230, the 250, and the 270 all have this same head setup. Great option on this boat, very large area. If you do have some little ones that want to get out of the sun, you can do that. You can just leave this little door here open, get some airflow down there, and you can extend your time on the water. Over to the helm area, this one we have equipped with the twin 9-inch Simrad. So you got your throttle controls over there for your Mercury engine. It's all digital. It's got the trim assist, so you can just kind of set it and forget it. You don't have to overthink anything as the captain. Just run the boat. It'll trim the engine for you, get you on plane the right way and all that. Back to this huge cockpit area, you do have seats that convertible both ways. So if you're pulling a tuber or something like that, you can flip this seat back the way. You have someone facing in the rear direction. That way they can watch the people in the water. And then if you're just hanging out at a sandbar, there's a little button under here. I can slide this seat forward, and now we just have a huge entertainment area. You got table that goes in here as well as up at the bow. So if you want to enjoy some food or beverages while you're out there as well, you can do that. Up above our heads, you do have the sport tower. This is a great option because you can pull tubers, skiers, wakeboarders, whatever you want to do, you can do that, or leave the canopy open. You get some great sun coverage as well. Great stereo system throughout. Again, Sea Ray's all about entertaining. They want you to enjoy your time on the water with family and friends. So they just extra attention to detail to all of those things. Back here on the back of the boat, nice large sun pad area. I can pick this seat up and flip it down. So if you wanted to lounge out and get some sun, get that tan going, now that we got some nice weather happening up here in the Northeast, people are gonna look forward to that. Back on the swim platform, we got the sea deck back there, nice and comfortable on your feet. Great for little ones. If someone does have a little slip and they fall, it's something padded that they can land on. So that's a quick walkthrough of this. Again, it's a brand new 2026 Sea Ray 250 SDX outboard. My name's Bill Herr. If you have any questions or you want to schedule a private walkthrough, you can reach us here at MarineMax in Somers Point at 609-926-0600. Thank you, and we'll see you on the water.